Hello everyone! This video will introduce how to use TKK.ONE. TKK.ONE is a platform that uses the official API to upload videos and retrieve data, supporting both TikTok and YouTube. The advantage of using the official API is that it requires no devices and no proxy IPs, which can save a significant amount of operational costs. For first-time users, you'll need to register an account first. The email you enter here must be a valid one. Otherwise, you won't receive the verification link, and your account won't be usable. After filling in the information above, make sure to check all the boxes at the bottom before registering. After submitting your registration, you must check your email and click the verification link. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you can access the dashboard. Before adding an account, you need to top up your balance or activate a plan. Otherwise, you won't be able to add a TikTok account. The balance you top up can be used to pay for AI-generated videos or to activate plans. You can top up here using Alipay. If you're unable to use Alipay, please contact me. TikTok accounts support 3 types of authorization methods. For scan code authorization, simply scan the code using your TikTok mobile app. The second method opens the authorization link in your current browser, where you log into your TikTok account to grant access. The third method allows you to copy the authorization link and send it to other staff to authorize the account. Once an account is successfully authorized, you can view it on this page. If you want to add a YouTube account, you'll need to set up your own API credentials. Click on API Credential Management and follow the tutorial to set up your API credentials. After setting up the API credentials, return to TKK.ONE to add them. Once the credentials are added, you can authorize your YouTube account. Once an account is successfully authorized, it will appear on the YouTube Accounts page. After adding accounts on the web, you can download the client and log in with your website account. After successfully logging into the desktop client, click Sync Account Data to import the accounts that were successfully authorized on the website. The desktop client is mainly used for uploading videos and generating Sora to AI videos. To upload a video, right-click on the account you want to upload from and select Share Video. Clicking Select Video will open a file selection window where you can import your videos. The video selection window also lets you check whether each video has already been uploaded. Videos that have already been uploaded to the platform will be marked with a check. Once you've selected the video, you can continue. In the Upload window, you can enter the title, choose privacy settings, configure user interactions, and adjust other advanced settings. Once everything is set, you can click the Upload button. Uploading a YouTube video works the same way. Right-click the account and select Share Vide to open the shared video window. After selecting the video, enter the title, description, choose privacy settings, category, and then click the Upload button. Before creating a Sora 2 video, make sure your website balance is sufficient. In the AI video creation window, you can choose a preset template or enter your own prompts. It supports both text-to-video and image-to-video. You can choose between the watermark and non-watermark versions of the model. Once everything is set, click the Create button. The task typically takes about 2 to 5 minutes to complete. Videos that have been successfully generated must be downloaded first before they can be shared or uploaded. After downloading, you can preview the video. Click the Share button to select the account you want to share the video with. This concludes the basic tutorial for TKK.ONE, official website https://tkk.one.